Namaskar, everybody. Welcome to lesson number 3. Sarnishu, welcome. जो वन करा हुआ शुरू आज एक क्लास मॉनिटर चे पारुल जी तो सीमा जी. So इसकी पट क्या इसकी जो lesson number 3 इस करो सारी कोशिश कोशिश पट काफ करना च. Little bit, too much, शर्म आती है, नहीं आती है, it's okay. Nervousness है, it's okay. इस करो सारी कोशिश कोशिश पट काफ करना च. मैं भी थोड़ी टूटी टूटी कश्मीरी में बात करूंगी, आप भी थोड़ी टूटी टूटी कश्मीरी में बात करना. बाय द एंड ऑफ द क्लासेस इस करो जान पढ़ कश्मीर पढ़ कर. ठीक है, तो बुकर हैंड ओवर टू पारुल जी एंड सीमा जी फॉर रिविजन. 10 minutes ऑफ रिविजन. तो पत करो इस क्लास स्टार्ट पदमास कुलदीप जी एस. ठीक है, चलो ओवर टू यू पारुल जी एंड सीमा जी.
नमस्कार महाराज.
नमस्कार.
Namaskar. My slides are visible.
Yes.
Yes.
So today we'll start with this Sharda Devi shloka. Om Namami Tvam Sharda Devim Mahabhagim Bhagavatim Kashmir Purvasinim Vidyadainim Rakshamam Namami Tvam. Now Lalwak will be recited by Seema ji.
वन पढ़ो असलवाक. आमी पन सौद्रस नवी छसलमान कति बोजे दयम्योन मेते दी तार अमियन टक्यन ओने जन शमान जुब शुभ ब्रमान गर कथ हा.
Now we'll just revise additional vowels in Kashmiri. First is a. So guide word is ach. Second is a. Guide word is maj. Third is a. Guide word is b. Fourth we have u. Guide word is tur. Then next is e. Re. Next is o. Ko. Additional consonants in Kashmiri like cha, cha, z. We have sapun, chavas, bazar. Conjuncts like ya, syak, and va, swak, sok.
These are some Kashmiri words with the new vowels, matras and sounds. और वन करे बकोशिश पढ़न इमन ठीक पैट. अलम. मास्टर जी मैं पढ़े वार please correct because I got on my homework.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. Go ahead. Master ji is there. Yeah.
Okay.
आराम से पढ़.
अलम, वनस, सड़क, अरतल, जमजम, आ, यामत, कारण, दामन, बकवास, पाताल, दिक, चीरन, बिसियार, गरिच, बई. ईश्वर, शीशम, पिरिल, गिरिस, जरीब. कानुल, मुशीर, आमुन, वातुल, वनुस. मूरन, तूफान, हूर, वफूर, प्यूर. ऋषि, प्रत, कृत. शमशेर, बेनुन, रेशल, मेठुन, ब्रेठुन. डैडी, गैर, वैकुंठ, क्लोय,
कॉलय.
Sometimes Master जी I've noticed English Roman में पढ़ो तो एकदम जल्दी समझ आ जाता है. Some words like if you can focus on both at the same time. तो
Same true with me. When I started learning, जब मैंने सीखा मेरे को रोमन अच्छा लगा तो I write mostly I pronounce also from Roman only and it's okay. It doesn't
मैंने
matter.
बहुत बहुत वर्ड्स में देखा है, वो एकदम कुछ जो देवनागरी में नहीं समझ आ रहा होता रोमन में आ जाता है जल्दी.
कोई बात नहीं. Please continue. You are
Soul.
doing very fine. Yeah.
Tol, votus, bror, pulvor, tulon, गौ, तौकल, तौलिया, जौहर, दौलत, मंगस, कांजी, प्यूत, पूंस, गंदुक, त्याक, देक, चियत, हेक, बेल, पीर, गिर, तूर, जूर, ट्रू.
इसमें एक ही चीज है. जस्ट गो बैक प्लीज. ये जो स्लाइड बनाई ना पारुल जी ने बनाई क्या?
नहीं, ये हमने खुद ही बनाई है.
कोई बात नहीं. नो नहीं, मतलब आप में से दोनों में से किसी ने बनाई. ये जो इसमें रोमन है ना लास्ट वाला, ये
हाँ जी.
आर के बाद जो आई है ना, दिस इज सुपरस्क्रिप्ट आई. इट इज नॉट
ओ,
आई डायरेक्टली. सो एवरीवेयर व्हाटएवर यू हैव रिटन इन ऑल दिस, लास्ट लेटर आई इज सुपरस्क्रिप्ट आई.
okay, so it's short. पूरी.
नहीं, that's okay. While writing in this, it is fear is okay, but when you
हाँ
write
जी.
R and I should be superscript.
Okay
ऊपर में
जी.
होना चाहिए. ठीक, that's fine. Go ahead. Perfect.
पारुल next. खौर, ज्वार, joy, लॉकुट, कॉकर, मोकुल.
Now we'll start with words. First we have is a. So this is I, and its Kashmiri pronunciation is ach. Second we have watch. It's gar. Third we have ear. It means worry.
एक
Next
minute.
we have,
Just Parul,
yes,
can you go back? Can you go back?
yes,
Very good.
yes.
A, ach. Ach.
Ach,
Ach.
ach,
Ach. Yes.
ach,
Next. Yes. Perfect. Next, watch. Gar.
gar,
Gar.
gar,
Third, ear. Worry. Worry.
worry,
Worry. Again, worry. Right. Word.
nar, var,
Great.
dar. It means hard like.
Dhar. Dhar.
Dar, ans, cuts,
Great.
sir.
Fantastic.
Next we have guide word is merge. Is it okay?
See, that first one was second was the slightly longish sound. Just say merge. Okay, but when you read it in fluently, then it is merge. Okay, but you must be able to make a differentiation between and okay. Go ahead. Perfect. Merge. Correct.
Merge. Dar,
Great.
kar, var, dan, ar, ash, as, har, lar.
Just 1 minute. Her के अगेंस्ट में मैना होना चाहिए. This is sparrow. This is sir. Doesn't matter. Picture is different. Otherwise, you have spoken properly. The picture is of sparrow, which is sir. It is not manna. So doesn't matter. No issue. Just for your information.
Yes, sir. I was confused in this whether it means the same or not.
No issue. Go ahead.
Varis, successor. Next we have ba. Is it okay, sir?
Just 1 minute. B.
From
nahi.
throat.
From throat. B. You listen to me. B.
Yes.
So same way. Go ahead.
So guide word is ba.
Right.
It's okay.
Yeah, that's it.
The.
just a little. Don't make it too, not too much emphasis. S, B, right.
V,
Yes,
Sarab,
correct.
Pataj,
Great,
Khar,
nice.
Gar, Kal.
Very
It's
good.
okay?
Perfect, perfect. You are speaking better than any Kashmiri. So don't worry.
Masal,
Musl.
Var,
Just. It is not muscle.
yes,
Musl.
Masl,
Musl. Because अर्धचंद्र म के नीचे भी है और ल के नीचे भी है.
no,
Musl. Okay. Good.
Masl,
Yeah.
Var, Var, Naram,
Very good.
O, no, O,
Now it is yes.
O. Guide
Right.
word is Tur,
Very good.
Doof, Purit. It's okay?
Yeah. Perfect. Perfect pronunciation.
Uthim,
Nice.
Punsim,
Good.
Gungat,
Correct.
Kum,
Khum. Khum. Here it is.
Kuma,
This is the previous one. M with one
yes,
under arjan. Khum.
Kuma,
Right.
Tung,
Tunk. Now K and I superscript. Tunk. K. More emphasis on K and thoda sa emphasis on Y. Tunk. Okay.
Tung,
Tunk. Seema ji, can you pronounce it once for me?
Tunk,
Not tunk.
tunk,
Tunk. Tunk.
tunk, tunk,
क के साथ य ऐड करना है. Tunk.
tunk, tunk.
No problem. No problem. You are trying it. It will happen. Perfect. Parul, go ahead.
Sud,
Suit. Suit.
Sud.
Suit. You know, I'll just make it exaggerated. Suit. 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 You see, the and ya would be normally te, but we pronounce it as suit. Suit.
Sud,
Suit. Yeah.
Khunk.
Very good.
हमने लास्ट क्लास में सीखा कि हम छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस बनाने और बड़ों को और छोटों को कैसे हम एड्रेस करेंगे. तो मैं पारुल से पूछूंगी, पारुल क्या चुनाव?
Michuna Parul. Now, while addressing a person older than you, we will ask, "Twahi kya chunav?"
मैं चुनाव सीमा.
Perfect.
और अब हम अपनी लास्ट पोएम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे जिसमें हमारा सब वॉवल्स आएंगे और देखते हैं कि हमारा कहाँ पहुंचे प्रोनाउंसिएशन में. तो मैं पहली 2 लाइनें पढ़ूंगी, पारुल लास्ट की 2 लाइंस पढ़ेगी. रन रन गई माल्यन, रन गई माल्यन, पूरित शीरित, म्यनस बतस, बेलज हर.
Kutah bar bar koh ak kharak wal beh panas khyawat war.
Perfect. But let me recite it once again for you. Remember all the special vowels जो अभी तक हमने सीखे हैं. Okay. Rain, like ach. Rain, not run or run. Rain, ach वाला a. Rain गई मालून. Put it. We the third वाला. Put it, sheet it. Mianis bathas, beelaj her. Kuta bird. Parol. Bird.
Yes.
Ko
Bar bar.
akarak. Valabeh panas. Khyawat, were. That was
Were.
the word that was the word you already used there. Were.
Yes.
We learnt in your lesson जो आपने दिया था, तो उसमें पूरित भी था, उसमें वर भी था, उसमें
Yes.
शायद रन भी था, she and her नहीं था, वो था बर नहीं था, को होगा, ak. We read on the first lesson if you remember. Very good, excellent. I should
That's
say
the end
both
of our presentation.
you have done fantastic. I think पहले 2 लेसन में आज तक मैंने कोई स्टूडेंट को इतना केयरफुली और इतना appropriately सुनते बोलते हुए नहीं सुना कभी. Very good, excellent, and very good effort put together by both of you. God bless you, both of you. You have set a very high target for everybody, all the succeeding monitors now. Okay.
Shall I share lesson number 3 now?
Yes, you can share.
Is this visible?
Yeah, can you make it full screen actually? There must be at the bottom, or you can increase the size, you know. There's a plus sign on top. Go ahead. Go further. Now it is okay. Now can you go up a little bit? Means you have to go down, sorry. Go down so that we can see it properly. So first 2 you have already done. So let's go to the next. Go to the next. You have already read this today during your this thing. So let's go. So what? So the lesson number 3 is Kashur Parun Chunu Mushkil Daf Kal Gachas. What it means actually, that studying Kashmiri is not very difficult. Mushkil means difficult. Kashur means Kashmiri language. Parun means read. Chunu means is not. Mushkil means difficult. Kashur Parun Chunu Mushkil Daf Kal Gachas. Daf means we say Kal Gachas. Kal Gach means you should have the passion, or you should have you should worry about it. Gachasin, matlab you should have you should think about it. Daf Kal Gachasin. As we should be ready to read or practice this. Okay. Now let us go down, Karun. This you have already.
Asanya means easy.
Pardon?
Asanya.
No, asing means should be there. Asing means should be. Okay, you should have that urge to learn Kashmiri. That's all. Okay, or you should feel like having Kashmiri. So this lesson 1, you want me to repeat? I will repeat once more, though we have already done this. But I will just go through this little bit in a fast mode. But we have already done this, so we will not repeat. But this is just for refreshing your memories. Okay. Generally, I would suggest that Parulji, if you has Shivani sir given you the list of complete all students?
Yes, sir. We have.
Can you-
Shall I?
I have the list.
Can you do me? You don't do. You just take it alphabetically and see who's present today, and let the first alphabet say the first letter. First ka sare all first line. Let him read. He or she. Who are it?
Parul, you want me to read the list? I have the list ready.
Yeah, you can continue with A to M, and then after that I'll just have.
Ajit.
Yes, ma'am.
Ajit ji hain? Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
please
I am here.
read the first line. Yeah.
Alam, Vanas, Sadak, Artal, Jamjam.
Thank you.
Anil, Kaul ji.
He is not there today, I think.
Apurva Bhagat.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Yamat, Karan, Daman, Bakwas, Patar.
Arshia Kaul.
Sharif, Ganimat, Ladisha Harif.
Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Ganimat. G. It is that ach. Ganimat.
जी जी
When you speak fluently, Ganimat. Okay, not Ganimat.
गनीमत.
Ganimat. Ladisha. Very good. Thank you. Go ahead.
Aryan, call. Aryan, are you there? Okay. Ashish Kumar. Ashish. Okay. Ayush Dhar. Ayush. Okay. Next, Chetan Jain. Chetan. Devyani. Devyani Panchal. Dhananjay. Dhananjay. Dimple Call. Dr. Gayatri Narayan.
Yes, Gayatri ji is there.
Yeah.
Okay, Gayatri.
Cursive, ready, worry, coming, rais.
Ishan. Ishan Call. Ishani Lahiri. Ishani. Kunjan Shah.
Yes, Kunjan ji is there.
Yeah, I'm there.
Kunjan.
I have to read this. At board, gach, what?
You start with the first line, madam.
Kasi?
Guts.
Okay. B, gach,
Yeah,
what?
actually this is wrong. Just for information, ये
Okay.
ग और छ के नीचे डॉट होना चाहिए और उसके नीचे अर्धचंद्र होना चाहिए. This is not properly written. Doesn't matter. Okay, we'll correct this. Go ahead. What? Yeah.
Grat, darak. Was this correct?
Darak.
Darak.
No, not darak. There is an ardhachandra at the bottom, and
The?
darak.
Darak.
Now coming back to that, the word which I tried to correct, it is actually guch.
Gach.
Guch, probably written. Guch.
Oh, like Kankan?
Kanguch, yeah, right, like Kanguch, yeah.
Mushroom. Okay, ji.
Mushroom.
Madhu Call. Madhu ji. Parul, you want to read the rest from Meera? Meera Mota, sorry.
Okay, ma'am. Meera Mota. Murukesh.
Murkesh ji is there.
Murukesh.
Hi. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, so I'll read from the next one, right?
Last line, yeah, on the page. You can see the page. You can see the screen. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, at board, yeah.
At bor, nat, van,
Nat.
vand, hak, nakhvat.
Nakhvot. Okay. Next.
Next is Padmapriya Srinivasan. Padmapriya Srinivasan. Next
Not
is
there.
me only.
Okay,
Shall
go
I
ahead.
read?
Yeah, go ahead.
Kans.
एक मिनट just good. Repeat after me. Good. The year, very little faint year. Good. Good. Then next.
Cons. Come.
Actually, there is, it should be Ardhachandra at the bottom. It's by Visarga. छोड़ दीजिए. इसमें it should be Ardhachandra under M. Kama.
Na.
Hmm.
Kutis.
Very good.
Tur.
Very good.
R.
Good.
Jatant.
Jatant. Jatant.
Jatant.
Very good. Next.
Next is Plaksha ji. Plaksha. Next is Priya Raina ji. Priya
I think
Raina.
the line is being repeated, I guess, but I'll say it nonetheless. Kuit, kuns, kum, kutis, tur, ru, jatuntun.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, just 1 minute. Go back, Vaniji, can you go up? There are a couple of students who could not speak, so let us go up on the page.
Okay.
Just keep it here, keep it here, keep it. Go, who are the balance?
Now next is Radhika Desai ji.
I don't think she is there.
So I speak.
No, go ahead. No, you don't have to speak. Go ahead. So tell who's the next, who's the next in the line?
Sakshi Pahalwan.
He's
Next
not
is
there.
Saurabh Sidhu. Saurabh Sidhu. Next is Seema ji. Seema
Pardon, page.
Kachru.
Yeah, can you move the page up? Like from where do I read? The new
Yeah,
vowel.
first one. Yeah. No, not new one. First one on the top. Go up.
Yeah.
Go
This
here.
one.
Yeah.
Alam, Vanas, Sadak, Artal, Jamjam.
Just one correction. Alam nahi. Alam.
Alam.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. Go ahead. Next.
Next is Seema Sapru. Seema Sapru. Next is Shruti Raina. Shruti Raina.
Shruti ji hai वहाँ पे.
Next.
नहीं
अच्छा.
Shruti ji hai, I think. Please
Okay.
read this line. Shruti ji. We are not able to hear you. Shruti ji. Shruti ji, can you keep your video also on? We are not able to hear you.
Not audible?
Now you are audible. Ma'am.
Okay. Yamat, Karan, Daman, Bakwas, Patal.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next is Umesh Krishnan ji. Umesh Krishnan.
It is Umesh Krishnan. Start. Sharif, Ganimat, Ladisha, Harif.
Thank you. Anybody else is left?
Yes, sir. Vani.
Okay, you can speak. Yes.
Which one?
Ye Sharif, Kasif. Kasif.
One second. Okay. Kasif. Radhi. Mari. Kami.
Kami.
Rais.
Rais. Thank you. All over now. We've covered everybody.
Sir, 3 more. Vanshika.
Okay. Vanshika, go ahead. Vanshika.
Yeah. B, Gut, Vat, Grat, Tarak.
Just 1 minute. B, Guts,
Gut,
Vat,
Vat,
Grat, Darak.
Darak.
Thank you.
Thank
Finish
you.
it.
Next is Vinaya Raina ji.
Next, go up.
Vinaya
Vanshika.
Raina.
You have to move the page up.
Okay. Next we have is Vitasta call. Vitasta call.
Yeah, I have to read from Atbor, right?
Yeah.
Atbor, Nat, Vand, Hak, Nakho.
Anybody has a question till now? So then we can proceed. Umeshji, you have raised your hand. Do you have anything to say?
Yeah, I have one question.
Yeah, please. Please tell.
Worry is na एक और yeah. So is it v r e या v r i h?
न मरन वरी छु खाली वरी
अच्छा अच्छा
ह छु न अतमज बे छु न वई खाली के वरी छु न वरी छु वरी
वरी मतलब बस घरे कथ करन तमो ना इछु एंडर्स अंदर इ तो ह यवान तमो छु इथकन पोरमोत
न न मरन this is the correct word bunch of वारिया छु pronounce करा differently because of dialects but basically
Dialects
वरी बकाच वरी है
अच्छा
चलो go ahead
there is a question
sure
Actually, deur gay window,
yes
but you got a race that you deur.
touch
It's
same. It is written in the same way. Written in the
okay.
same way. There.
अच्छा बे अक वर ओस enmity but ममान होन की ये किचन गार्डन अस्त वनान
वर च वनान दोन त्रेन चीजें
अच्छा
वर च वनान अक गार्डन छ आसान मेचुन तच वनान
अच्छा
वर च वनान किचन गार्डन जो हमारे घर में रहता था अपने पास में तच छ वनान वर
ओके
तो वर च आते वनान के बैर छु न इट्स अ बैर जो रहता है ना हिंदी में बैर उसका वर मतलब so that is also that enmity also is there.
Okay.
Good. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Okay, let's go further. Let's go to today's lesson now. Okay, I think we have to start from here, go up. Yeah. Today, आज हम फिर बाकी जो स्पेशल वॉवल्स हैं या वॉवल्स जो जनरली हैं सारे कवर करेंगे तो जो बाकी हमने पढ़े हैं अभी तक तो आई थिंक वी हैव रिहर्स्ड आल्सो दैट लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट इज नॉर्मल देवनागरी में ए जैसे लिखते हैं और उसके ऊपर में सर्प आकार का एक लाइन लगाते हैं जैसे ए में स्ट्रेट लाइन रहती है लेकिन इसमें सर्प आकार के रहते हैं एंड सेम वे जैसे मैंने लास्ट टाइम बोला था रोमन में ई विद राइट टू लेफ्ट slant line on top that is called a pronounced as a and similarly o would be o नॉर्मल ओ जैसे हम लिखते हैं हिंदी में बट इसमें सर्प आकार की ऊपर में डंडी है ऊपर में तो इसको ओ सेम वे ओ इज ओ विद राइट लेफ्ट टू राइट बट दिस इज ओ it is right to left line okay on top so remember this is a shorter version of o the same way a it is not a it is a so let's go to the proper now word a guide word here is जैसे हमने पहले भी देखा रे guide word is रे similar other words are वे बे के येली तेली बेनी जजीर नेचो एहसान okay, go back go up yeah just put the whole put all the words of this visible they not up that's okay I think that's good enough thank you Anish. So it is re ve be ke yeli teli beyni jejir neçu ehsan Anybody has any issue with any of these words? Anybody? Please. Umesh ji, aapka hand you still raised. You still have question?
Sorry, मैं
No,
मेरे को नहीं याद.
no, camera shouldn't call it. That's perfectly. I thought there's a new word. Anybody else? Okay, let's go to
आप
the
एक
next.
बार आप एक
हाँ,
बार
बोल.
थर्ड वर्ड फिर से बोल देंगे वो कैन
के
कैन
इट इज एक्चुअली एन. आपका अगर याद होगा, हमने एन बोला था, ये अन वाला आवाज रहती है,
हाँ
न
जी
जैसे अन वाला. सो
हम्म
वैसे ये है. इट इज वेरी, दिस इज द डॉट ऑन द टॉप. इफ यू आर रीडिंग फ्रॉम विद इन देवनागरी,
हम्म
के, इट इज नॉट के, बिकॉज ए नॉट, इट इज ए. तो न और ह जैसे हम नॉर्मली पढ़ेंगे देवनागरी में, वैसे ही है के. ठीक है.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Okay, then let's go to the next one. Now, similarly, this is not O, this is O. So, what we'll do? Dor. Guide word is dor. Dor means hard in Kashmiri. Dor. By the way, dor, this is, here it is used as a masculine word. If it was feminine word, then it is called dar. So anyway, just for understanding, this is dor. Top, drog, nyom, ogun, osh, dor, on, oats, goats. Okay. Once again, let me read this again. Dor, TS is sir, so, church with the dot sir, so, drog, nyom, ogun, osh, dor, on, oats, goats. Anybody? Any issue with any of these words in pronouncing? Anybody? Murkeshi, yeah, Murkeshi, please go ahead. Tell us. You have anything? Murkeshi, you want to say something?
No. I was just reading it for myself.
No problem. No problem. Let us go to the next letter. Go down. Go little up. On the top of the page. Please. Yeah. Now we have completed the 6 special vowels of Kashmiri, which we had earlier done. With these 2, we have completed that complete set of 6. We had done 4 earlier. We have done 2 more. So that is completing everything. Now, again, जो हमने पहले lesson 1 में पढ़े थे, I, E, U, A, I, O, Au, An, not Generally बहुत बार हम पढ़ते हैं ना हिंदी में आम पढ़ते हैं, नाम नहीं पढ़ते. तो सेम वे प्लीज जो देवनागरी में तो सिंपल ही है, जैसे पढ़ते हैं वैसे पढ़ते हैं. बट अगर रोमन में पढ़ते हैं तो रिमेंबर I is the smaller sound is always right to left line, slanting line at the top, but on the longer version of the pronunciation is E. It is always left to right, longer version slide, on the top. So that applies to all words like O, A, I, A, E, I together, O, Ow, A and U together, and An is An is only N. Okay, just for Roman script, for those who are studying in Roman script. Let's go down. Go to the next page. Now, these are the common vowels which are also available in normal Devanagari, which we were told earlier. Can you put the full page? Parulji, can you put it in the full page?
Ajit ji has raised hand, so.
Yeah, Ajit ji, please.
Sir, it was just to. Sir, I think there's some correction in छोटी E and बड़ी E. उल्टा लिखा हुआ है दोनों तरफ ना.
किसमें?
सर इट शुड बी सर
कहाँ पर?
ब्लू में बड़ी लगी हुई है, वो छोटी होनी चाहिए।
नहीं बराबर है।
ई
हाँ नहीं बराबर है, बराबर है। ई बराबर है, बराबर। देयर इज नो मिस्टेक देयर।
सर सेकंड रो
सेकंड रो इज ओके,
जहाँ मात्रा लगी हुई है।
बराबर है, मात्रा बराबर है, बराबर है वो। चलिए आगे चलिए। ओके, दिस इज ए। ए इज खिर। गाइड वर्ड इज खिर। गाइड वर्ड इज खिर। इजाजत, इष्टाम, देवता, देवता, बितुर, बिचोर, कसिद, डिज, मिठाई, गिरदाब। Okay, once again, keep it there only. I'll read it once again. Khir, KH is kha, khir, ijazat, TH is tha, ijazat, ishtam, SH is sh, T with a dot is ta, ishtam, divta, bitur, bichor, kasid, dij, mithai, girda. Anybody has any difficulty in this letter, please let us know. Anybody? I think that is simple. Let's go, Parulji, can we go next? It is E. Next is E. Guide word here for Kashmiri is sheen, snow. Sheen, Iman, Eid, Seer, Teer, Peer, Beer, Miras, Garib, Naseeb. Here, while reading these words, you have to see that we are focusing on E. Forget about the rest of the vowels which are there, but focus on E. Sheen, Iman, Eid, Seer, Teer, Teer, Beer, Miras, 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 Garib, Naseeb. Anybody, any questions up to now? चलिए पारुल जी, चलिए आगे. Then this is O. Guide word is both. Both means face. Both. Ujrat, Ujrat, Musibat, Musibat, Uftad, Kunz, Butrat, Wuz, Wumar, Kachul, Kachul. Once again, both is the guide word. Remember always both. You, when I am speaking, you are muted, but you should repeat with me. Both, Ujrat, Musibat, Uftad, Kunz, Butrat, Wuz, Wumar, Kachul. Anybody has any difficulty here?
सर तो होता है कि वो
प्रिया जी,
सर वुज होता है कि वुज होता है, मतलब पैसेज द सेम वर्ड.
वो ने वुज ही बना वुज वुजुन को ब्याक चीज सुगो वुजुन को ब्याक वर्ड को मतलब अंदर से बाहर निकलना वुजुन. That's a different word. Wuz is passage. Is a nice gare uske shir asan. Before from the entrance, it is a passage basically from the entrance to the rooms whichever are there in the ground floor or whatever. That is called wuz. Go ahead. Ooh. Next is ooh. June, that is the simple month of June. Like as I said, we write it, but this is here used for generally, as I said, all proper nouns are used as they are in English, but here it has been used for understanding ooh, June, because then you understand how it is pronounced in English also. June is the guide word. Roon, Koor, Koot, Shoo, SH is sure. Doon, D with a dot at the bottom is D. Doon, Pooza, Pooza, Woont, T with a dot and H is Th. Woont, Boot, T with a dot and H is Th. Boot, Doon, Doon. I will go once again. Please repeat with me afterwards. June, Roon, Koor, Koot, Shoo, Doon, Pooza, Woont, Boot, Doon. Anybody has any difficulty here?
Sir, so Roon is husband and Rain in the poem is wife, is it?
No. Rain is basically sort of it's an adjective type word. It is not. Kwalai is wife. Kwalai.
Oh,
Kwalai is
okay.
the word. Wife is Kwalai in Kashmir.
Okay.
But Rain is sort of. It is Rani jaisa. It is something like Rani. Parallel. Draw it from that parallel. It is Rain ke maal. It is that type of word. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Just for everybody, wife is called Kollai. Roon, her husband is Roon. Koor is daughter. Koor is also used for any girl. Okay, it is for daughter also, but for any girl also we use Koor. Okay, let's go to the next parallel. Now it is A. So guide word is rail. Guide word is rail. Etiraz. Make. Here make has been written as nail, but make actually means that big nail. It's not a normal small nail. Make means, very big diameter nail. It is called make. Make. Jail. Mekhal. Kecha. TSH is ch. TS is ch. TSH is ch. Kecha. Ch with a dot at the bottom is ch. Kecha. Trail. Kel. Chair. TS is ch. Ch with a dot is ch. Chair. Tail. T with a dot and H is th. Tail. I will go once again. Please repeat after me with yourselves. Rail. Etiraz. Make. Jail. Mekhal. Kecha. Trail. Kel. Chair. Tail. Any questions, anybody? Let's go. The next word. Now it is I. There are very few words which use I in Kashmiri. So ab, ab, baitak, hai bung, ab, baitak, hai bung, ab. In the bracket ab में herb लिखा है. This is basically Kashmiri for defect or fault. Okay, don't think that it is written here. It should not have been written there because we have not written anywhere. So this is herb. Ab is herb. Herb means basically it is the meaning of ab. It is fault. Baitak, hai bung. Anybody? Any question here? Let's go to the next one. Parulji. Now it is O. Guide word is mole. Mole is father. Guide word is mole. More. O. Os. Olu. Om. Apor. Bror. Sor. Hosh. Prawn. अगेन जस्ट मैं जस्ट बताना चाहता हूँ आप सबको कि ये जो साइड में जो वर्ड्स हैं इनका जो मीनिंग है इंग्लिश में आई थिंक वी आर नॉट रीडिंग इट बट यू मस्ट रिमेंबर दैट दिस विल इम्प्रूव योर वोकैबुलरी सो यू शुड बी एबल टू डू दिस आई एम नॉट गोइंग इनटू दिस बिकॉज माय एम्फेसिस on the vowel sound itself, so I'm not getting into that. The mole, but since this is very commonly used, so I would like you to remember this. Mole is father, so that you should know. More. Os. Olu. Om. Apor. Bror. Sor. Hosh. Prawn. Again, TS is sir. Ch with the dot at the bottom is sir, and SH is sh. So rest everything is okay. Now, anybody has any difficulty here? Please let me know. Anybody? Okay, Parulji, can you go further? Now it is ow. There are very few words in Kashmiri which use ow. Aushad. Aushad. Auzar. Gav. 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 Not gav. Gav. Actually, there are different accents of gav used by Kashmiris in go. So go tot. So gav tot. But here it is to understand ow. It is gav. Okay. Auzar. Aushad. Okay. So there may be some accents which will differ from this. But here, since we are trying to understand ow, so we'll pronounce it as ow only. Aushad. Auzar. Gav. Okay. So next further. I think this is the last one. As I said, we use Hindi में इसको भी पढ़ते हैं, but we use it as an. So n nasal sound. So guide word is ang, part of a body. Onguj, months. Now, normally you would write n as na. You don't have to. It is here. It is dot. It is only a nasal sound here. Right? Months. If it is na, then is na. If it is only n, it is na, only nasal sound na. Months. Zang. Dand. Pons. Mandar, Vand, Randuk, Sangur. Any other word there below this? No, that's all. Oh, they go up again. No, go up there. Yeah, I have to read it again. Okay, I'll repeat it. So repeat it after me. Ang, Onguj, Mans, Zang, Dand, Pons, Mandar, Vand, Randuk, Sangur. Now you must understand कि जितने भी हमने ये वॉवल्स देवनागरी के ये सारे नॉर्मल वॉवल्स हैं. जब आप देवनागरी में पढ़ते हैं आपको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता उसमें, जैसे आप पढ़ते हो. जैसे नॉर्मली यू वुड, जैसे अंग आप ऐसे ही पढ़ते. अगर आप कश्मीरी नहीं भी पढ़ते होते तो आप ऐसे ही पढ़ते. सिर्फ ये जो है ओंगुज. नाउ ओंगुज यहाँ पर ओ, इट इज नॉट ओंगुज. यू नो दिस इज अ स्पेशल वॉवल for Kashmir. So that is Onguj. Mans we would have read the same way. Zang we would have read the same way. Dand we would have read the same way. Pons, again it is O. This is special vowel O and then Z. That's why P with the asterisk on top, right to left. Mandar, Vand. Vand we would have, if it was one and dot and the, we would have read it as Vand. But there's an Ardhachandra at the bottom, so we read it as Vand. Sangur, we would have read it in Devanagari also normally Sangur. So there is nothing very different there. Okay, let's go to the next Parulji. So now we go to the conjuncts. We read that earlier in the lesson 2 and lesson 1. So guide word here it is. Now again I repeat here where we use this. If there is any word which has, in Devanagari, if there is a letter which is half and followed by year, any letter, k, k, g, g, n, any letter with that is half letter and year, it's a conjunct of year, then we read it, we denote it in Roman as E with a cap on top, with a triangular on top, cap on top, and we read it as E, sec. Like in Devanagari also it is written sir here. Se. We would have read this also normally as se. So it is sec. Okay. But in every other thing it may not have, in Devanagari you may not read it exactly like that, but you have to remember it is e. Okay. It is meng. Sef. Den. Rek. Pendul. Fenzar. Sef. Vedak. Kyakun. I will go again. Repeat after me. Sek. Men. For a change, let us do one thing. Unmute everybody. I want you to repeat after me. Unmute everybody. Let me see how you pronounce after me. Unmute everybody. Please unmute everybody. Umeshji, please unmute yourself. Ajit. Sek. Myang. Sef. Den. Rek. Pendul. Fenzar. Sef. Vedak. Takun. Very good. You can now unmute. You can mute yourself now. Let's go further, Parulji. Now, conjunct like it was with year. Now, any word with a conjunct with ver, that means ka, kha, ga, ga, na, but that letter is that is half letter with a conjunct of v. V is full always. So we use it as, we pronounce it as o. O. It is not o. It is not o. It is o. It is not o. It is not o. Okay. It is not o or o. It is o. O. So you have to twist your mouth. You have to curl your mouth. O. O. So guide word is sock. Sock means happiness. Sock. Okay. Dock. Wad. Kong. God. Caught. Wamade. Sotsal. Chopper. Pond. Any other word below this, Parulji? All these only words, but that's okay. Thank you. I will read it. Now unmute everybody. You repeat after me. Okay? Let us give it a try. Everybody please unmute. Sock.
Sock.
Dock.
Dock.
Wad.
Bod.
Kwang.
Kong.
God.
Cord.
Caught. Wamade.
Wamade.
Sotsal. Chopper.
Chopper.
Pond.
Pond.
Some interesting words here from meaning point of view, which are generally is, you can mute everybody, but let's remember one thing. Pond is sneeze. Okay, you can remember this. This is something which you may like to use while even practicing. Sock means happiness. Sukhi se aaya hai is sock. Dukh is again pain, sorrow is coming from dukhi. Bod, intelligence. Kong, famous spice or whatever you may say, flower from in Kashmir. Saffron. Kong. God is ankle. Khot is impure. Wamed is hope. Totsal is again a special Kashmiri, what should I say, vegetable. We call it sotsal. Chopper. Anybody has any question, please raise your hand or please speak. Unmute yourself and speak. Anybody has any issue?
Yeah, I'm not getting the difference between
Between
this and O.
O. O. O. O. O. Hey, O. You repeat after me. O. Repeat. O. नहीं वानी जी आपका नाश्ता अभी तक नहीं हुआ, आज भी नहीं हुआ जब ओ तो जोर से जरा जोर से सो हाँ see so is O is can you go back on top? I'll take the same example. Parulji, can you go on top? That will be repeated today. We revise that word. Upar. First two. Yeah, here, go up again. Yeah, here. Now it is Dor. Drog. It is that one which you are confusing with is dock, sock. These are two different. Okay, here it is ongon, ongon, onguish, osh. So this is O. It is very simple, no issue. O is sock, dock. Okay, am I correct? Satisfied? No, unless I hear from you sock, I cannot understand. So you repeat sock. You repeat after me. Repeat. Sock. जोर से. वाणी जी जोर से. Sock. Very good. Thank you. Let's go down, Parulji. Thank you. Go to where we were last में. Conjuncts वाले दूसरा were. Next. Go down. We have finished this second. Go down. Now. Go down further. Anything else is there? We have finished this. Now,
Masterji, can you please repeat the second last word?
Supper. See, एक minute. TS is keep it there only. Parul, go up, please. There is a clarification. O में जाइए ना ऊपर. Conjunct O. और ऊपर थोड़ा सा. बस. That's it. See, don't. Go up. You are at O. You go there to the page O.
Go to page number 17.
Page number 17. Can you go to page number 17, please? Remain here. Remain here for some time. There's a clarification from somebody. Stop it. Keep it here.
Okay.
Stop it. Bas. Don't go. Don't go up. Don't go.
No, 18. Go
O.
page 18. हाँ, कहाँ गया? 1 minute.
Parul is handling it or you are handling it? Shivani. That's all.
Okay,
That's all.
it's
Keep it here.
page number
Don't touch.
18. Don't touch
Okay,
page number
keep it
18.
here. Keep it here. किनका था? Who wanted what it is? Murkesh ji.
Yes, I did.
See, TS is sir, like chair with a dot at bottom is sir, but when it is with were conjunct, we call it saw. Similarly, when you represent the same sound in Devanagari, you write TS with O and a cap on top. Saw. But if you are in Devanagari, sir with a conjunct were. Saw. And a और ऊपर में आर्य चंद्र is separate, merge वाला, merge वाला, separate. Okay.
Ji, thank you.
Okay. Anything else? Parul ji, can you go down? Okay. Yeah, this you can this we can skip this. We have already done this twice. You can read it again at home. Go further down, Parul ji. Let us try some words. Okay, let's try some sentences. Yeah, this one. Let us try to some sentences here. We read this last time. Mechunav Cheshta. My name is Cheshta. My name is Parul. Mechunav Parul. My name is Vani. Mechunav Vani. My name is Murkesh. Mechunav Murkesh. My name is Umesh. My name Mechunav Umesh. Achha, there is another way of speaking the same thing, which I actually spoke that way. Mechuvanan. I am being addressed as Mechuvanan Cheshta. But forget that for the time being. So stick to this. So because I spoke that sentence, I wanted to explain that. Mechunav Cheshta. Tohi kya chuna? Mechunav Cheshta. I will say now. Because I want you to all unmute. I will read the sentence. I want you all to repeat this with me. Okay. Mechunav Cheshta. All unmute, please.
Mechunav
Now, whatever I am reading, you repeat that. Mechunav Cheshta. Tohi kya chunav? Tohi kya chunav? So this is also sometimes pronounced as tohi kya chunav. Chu is more correct, but chu is also correct. Tohi kya chunav. Okay. Next is Buchus Nokri Karan. I am doing a job. Buchus nokri karan. Which this is when I'm male. Buchus nokri karan. When I am female, buchas nokri karan.
Buchas nokri
Lady, female will say buchas nokri karan, and a male will say buchus nokri karan. Repeat after me. Buchus nokri karan.
Buchus
Nokri karan.
Buchas nokri karan.
Nokri karan.
Buchus paran. I am studying.
paran.
Buchus paran.
Buchas paran. Agar
Cash laga.
if we had to read
I'll
it
bring
for
the
a girl, एक minute. When I speak, only after that you please repeat. Otherwise, nobody will able to listen to anything. Buchus nokri karan. Buchas nokri karan.
Buchus.
Now hold it. Buchus paran. I am studying. Go ahead. Repeat.
Buchus paran.
If it was female, which is not written here, buchas paran. Paran. Okay, next one is buchas scientist. It is a female.
Buchus scientist.
If this is for girl, if it was for boy or male, it would buchus scientist. Okay. Toy kya chuv? Toy kya chuv karan?
Toy kya chuv karan.
What are you doing? Toy kya chuv karan? Actually, there is a mistake here. It is kya. It is not kya.
Yeah.
It is her. And same way here you should be H. So we'll get it corrected later on. Toy kya chuv karan?
Toy kya chuv karan.
Chuv karan.
Chuv karan.
You see, व के नीचे अर्धचंद्र है. Same way V के ऊपर डॉट है, कैप है. शिव. तो क्या शिव करान?
वही क्या शिव करान.
That's correct. Go ahead, Parul ji. Next page. Go down further. Is there anything else left, or we have finished the lesson? Now, okay, leave it there. Shivani ji, you are there back? Shivani?
Yes, I am here. Hello.
Now you can talk
Go
about
to
your... Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you, Parul ji. I will share my screen. Can you stop sharing? Then I'll share. Thank you. Okay. So, are you all able to see my screen? Okay. Yeah. So, we will talk about today's homework assignment for today. उससे पहले जो एक करेक्शन करनी है for क्या, so कर भी ठीक, बुसोजो तो updated PDF just after the class.
Shivani ji, I've got something to do, so I am just waiting. Bye everybody. Namaskar.
Okay, namaskar Mara. Okay, bye.
Namaskar.
Okay, so let's talk about the class homework. So I'll update the PDF because PDF ठीक, बुसोजो तो updated PDF just after the class. ठीक छा? Lesson number 3. Ashizui question Atmasthemit. Akshu read and write the sentences. Win parivtoyim sentences. Machunav, Jeshta, Toikya Chunav, Buchus Nokri Karan, Buchus Paran, Buchas scientist, etc. Yim sentences Shutai Parin till Lekhin. Okay, so you have to read and write these sentences and then submit them. Okay, that is question number 1. And we go to question number 2. Asker says Varya Yimna words yad. Right? There were lots of words that we studied. Almost all of the Varnmala, Hindi Varnmala we completed. Magar to jo sari words lekhan ke. To hai ki likhit if you wish to. You can write if you wish to all the words, but you have to specifically revise E and O. Okay? What is E and O sounds? Anybody?
A, O.
Yes,
O.
correct. Perfect. Good job. तो आपको ये वाली साउंड से रिलेटेड वर्ड्स लिखने और पढ़ने हैं. तो है कि सारी लिखित, no issues with that, but these two specifically are required for the homework. Two things very important. When you upload your video, make sure you are writing your name and roll number, and mentioning your name and roll number. Writing where, जो आप JPG image upload करेंगे उसमें, और mentioning where, जो आप video upload करेंगे उसमें. And if possible, also recite the meaning. English meaning बोलिए या हिंदी meaning बोलिए, कहाँ पे meaning बनियो मगर बनियो meaning से. ये एक्सरसाइज अब हम क्यों कर रहे हैं कि recite the meaning also, so that आपको मीनिंग्स भी याद हो जाए वर्ड के साथ. एंड जब हम आगे वाली क्लासेस में जाएंगे, हम जब सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन शुरू करेंगे, जब आपको मीनिंग्स याद होंगे, यू विल नो कौन सा वर्ड कहाँ पे यूज करना है. ओके, परफेक्ट. एनी क्वेश्चंस? कहाँ सवाल चा कैसे? All good? Perfect then. No, everybody is on mute. That means everything is fine. Either we are very good or you are very good, or both of us are very good.
Or we are very conscious.
Okay. So thank you very much. Shukriya Varya. Yin khatra, dedication khatra. It is very important. Or class attend karna shows that you are dedicated. So shukriya. Yin khatra, time is spent yin khatra, and time is spent homework submit karna khatra. In between, agar kehte question answer, type on the WhatsApp group. मैं हिंदी English Kashmiri mix करके बात करूंगी, because now we are at a stage where we should start speaking in Kashmiri. नहीं भी आती है तो करियो कात, कैसे ये तो करियो कोशिश कात करना स्टैम से हेच्यो तो है. ठीक है, चलो. एनीथिंग, डोंट हेजिटेट. Talk to me, talk to Kuldip ji, talk to Kosam ji, talk to Karuna ji. Karuna ji is still not back, but you can. ठीक है, चलिए. Okay, thank you very much. Namaskar everyone.
Namaskar, Mara.
Namaskar, Mara. Thank you.
Thank you, Ji. Namaskar.
Namaskar.